Huh? Huh? Huh?
How about squares with holes in on 16, 8, 8/9, 8/81, 0.0986130163, and anyone else who make a square with a hole?
I am the 4 times table, calling all fours, to the dance floor. And one more 4 than the 4 before, that's what 4s are for, to get funky on the dance floor. 4 on the floor, and one more 4, that's 24, 28 and 32. Now one more 4 is here to make you dance. Get down, get in the groove with 36. Be there, be square, when all the 4s are on the floor. Here's 40, 40, 10 4s. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12.